Hi everyone, Tim here with TC Home Inspections. Today's topic is maintenance issues that commonly end up in the inspection report. Well, as a new home buyer, you need to know that there are a couple components that we evaluate, but even though they might be working perfectly fine during the day of the inspection, we are going to recommend constant maintenance of those systems. And there's really two that we really focus on during most home inspections, and that is the HVAC system, the heat, ventilating, and air conditioning system of that house, and also the roof system. Those two systems, even though they're in great shape, are going to require regular maintenance, and we want you to know about that. So let's focus first on the HVAC system. We do a number of different tests, a number of different observations during the inspection to make sure that HVAC system is working as intended. So we're going to check out the efficacy of those systems. We're going to check the heat controls, the zone controls, all the thermostats. We're going to make sure it's working great. However, even though that system may check out 100% fine, we are going to go one more step, and we're going to do our best to see if there's a current service tag on that unit or something in that home that will tell us when that unit was serviced last. And so a couple of things. If we can't find a service tag, or if we have no indication of when that unit was actually serviced in the last 12 months, we're going to recommend an HVAC technician come to that home and service it to protect you and to protect your investment. Often we first ask you to consult with the listing agent through your realtor, find out if the seller has any kind of records of current service. It may just be an issue where the tag was not put on there, that current service tag, but they may have a record of when it was serviced last. And then if they do not, then absolutely have an HVAC technician come and service it for you. Most HVAC systems should be serviced every 12 months. And I'm not talking about any one in particular, I'm talking about all of them. So you're talking about things like gas forced air furnaces and hot water boilers and different type of heat pumps and mini split systems and all different type of systems. Anything you can see out there, but all of them as a general rule should be serviced every 12 months. And if it's not indicated, we recommend it be done. The other important maintenance issue that often ends up in inspection reports has to do with roof systems. Even if a home is brand new, you are the first person to ever walk that roof after the roofers have been up there, we're going to recommend regular maintenance of that roof system. And things that often go bad on a roof are shingles will fall off, waste vent boots will crack due to UV light, roof surfaces often need to be cleaned. So there's just a number of things that can go wrong with the roof that will allow water to come in. Flashings are another component that often need to be secured. So even if the day of the inspection there's no water coming through that roof deck, everything looks dry, the shingles look properly placed, we are still going to recommend to have it serviced on a regular basis. And that is a system that is the #1 shield against Mother Nature, and you have to make sure that that system is in continuous good shape in order for you to have a dry house. So roofs should be evaluated twice a year. I put this on another video. We recommend spring and fall walkarounds of your home to see if there's any changes up there. And then also every 4 to 5 years, someone should physically get up on that roof and check things like waste vent boots and flashings and the overall field of that roof to make sure everything remains in good shape. So I just wanted to make this short video to remind you that when you buy a home, I often tell clients this, it's all about home ownership. When you buy a home, it's not a done deal when you walk in the front door. It requires regular maintenance, and especially the HVAC system and the roof system. Those are two systems that will often end up in the inspection report as continuous maintenance issues. Well, I hope this is helpful. Two really important things to think about as a new home buyer. And this could be for a commercial or residential property. It really doesn't matter. But those are really important maintenance issues that will end up in most inspection reports. So if you have any questions, let us know. This is Tim with TC Home Inspections. Happy to help. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.